I'm Dave and this is Austin Eats. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite vegetables, roasted Brussels sprouts with onions and bacon. My version's a little bit different. I start by roasting my Brussels sprouts with onions inside the wood-fired oven. While those are cooking, I'm going to saute up some bacon. Now, not just any bacon, but guanciale. Guanciale is pork jowl. It's got a very rich flavor. I'm going to chop that nice and thick, and then I'm going to sear that in a cast iron skillet, and that's going to be laid on top of the Brussels sprouts and onions. This is a fantastic vegetable dish. It's easy to make, and it's right here on Austin Eats. To prepare the Brussels sprouts, trim off the end and then cut them in half right through the stem. Use a paring knife to trim out a piece of that stem near the bottom. That's just tough and bitter. You don't want that in the Brussels sprouts. Be sure to save any loose leaves that fall off. This is guanciale. This is cured pork jowl, and it's a staple in Italian cooking. I cut it nice and thick, about 1/4 of an inch, and then diced that and simply fried it in a skillet. Once it's nice and crisp, take it out, but leave the grease in the pan. Add the Brussels sprouts, place the onions on top, and then cover all of that with a little more olive oil. It's time to light the wood-fired oven. The Brussels sprouts and onions roasted in the wood-fired oven for about 15 minutes until they were done. Directions for doing this in a conventional oven are in the comments below. Make sure to give them a stir every now and then so you don't burn one side of them. When they're done, add the guanciale and you've got a fantastic side dish. Give this one a try. Hey, if you liked the video, please let me know. And please subscribe. I've got new videos coming out every week. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Austin Eats.